Over 500 TV channels and nothing's on, the Connected Home has you covered. With the Connected Home, your smart TV is more than a TV. It's a communication device. Mobile devices paired with NFC technology help make navigating tasks around the house a total breeze. With the Samsung Slide-In range with Flex Duo oven, you have multiple range options and the functionality of a double oven all in one appliance. With the Connected Home, you have all the technology you need to take your dinners to the next level. Technology makes it easier than ever to keep tabs on what is going on in your connected home. Any task is possible with all the apps available today. I'm Shira Lazar, and make sure to come back for more tips on how to make your house a connected home.